Hey, welcome back guys. Today is 1st of April 2024. Let's go for next part of our application. But before of that, let me come here, play Roulette free. Let's see, or we find everything something here, or let's see. To show you before of that, show you something. After that, play for free, verify your age. Oh nope, no time. Let's go back here, image. I need to change a little bit our structure, and the point is this: because I get my laptop is getting hot and hot very fast. As you see, CPU is 100%. I'm not going to coding hard, I mean live here, but this is the point. First of all, let me run application and look at what I mean. I have changed something, and I'm gonna explain the changes and how things here works, and then commit it. Let me run my application. First of all, run it how it looks like at the time. Current face is like this. I'm gonna log in here. I mean, let's go back, go to the casino page. I need here to log in first, and here is this. Okay, I'm coming here to this casino page, and some things here change. I have here some numbers here from 0 to 36. I'm not front end, but just doing this for roulette. I'm not coding front end. I'm not a front end guy. But here we have numbers 0, number 1, and the point is now, like, if I click here on number 0, it say number 0 one time, choose 2 time, and as you see here, for example, number 2, number 3, number 4. And bet amount, we don't need bet amount anymore, because now we know here I have 2 times 0, 2 times, and the total of this amount is the bet. Okay, and when I spin, okay, credit is 63 at the time, and when I click, okay, losing position and bet amount is just ready to remove. And now let's go back and see how these things now works here. First of all, we had 36 numbers here. I had install library, which is Mood Blazor. And what Mood Blazor is, for example, look at this. It's just a little bit buttons plus style. Okay, there is nothing special here. It's just say if you use this code, you get this button. Okay. I use this because I need to make it little bit with style, and here is like this. For example, we have here button group, which I used here. Show the code, and you see this is just a code and nothing special there, just little bit beautiful. Okay, as you see here, we had 36 number, and here very easy in our component for each between a range of 0 and 37. We get 37 numbers from 0 to 36, and now here each time that I click there, let me run it again. Okay, let's go to casino. Look at this. Each time I click here, label is changed, or it say okay, numbers 0, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Here on click, I'm going to call a function which is increment count. if I go back to increment count, let me minimize all these things here. Increment count, what it is going to do, just it's going to count the clicked number there. Okay, just clicked number there. As you see, this is the final result. Say number 0, how many times is repeated here. Okay, this is really easy. A void method, just say how many times is repeated here, and voila, click counts. And click counts, let me see, where was click counts? And here click counts is just an array of number, which you saw in the previous part. Okay, this is easy one, which is belong to this pad, or let's say a game pad. And after click, I get the numbers here in the first input, which is now, let me go back here, which is here, user numbers, and this value was binded with this variable, and so easy. But the point is here this, if I'm coming back here on generate random number, we get that list. We get here this is not an integer, here this is not a list of this is just a string, and here just we separate them by comma and then put it in new array of numbers, and here array of numbers is filled with that. And now here we had just a random generated number, that's also okay. But here in the winning position, if a numbers contains random generated, here things happens. Okay, let's imagine I have here, let me rerun it again. Let me rerun it again. Let me rerun it again. It's already dead. Already dead. Already dead. God damn it. Let me close this one. Now let's try it. Just wait. Okay, here for example, I choose number, I need to put 5 points on number 1. Here we need a method here to count these numbers. For example, if I choose number 1 here and the incoming number is also 1, It's mean I have 5 points on that number, and that 5 points times 36. This is how bet amount was, how much you wanna spend there. For example, £5, 5 point, okay. And here that's why we remove bet amount, and here calculate these numbers. For these things we have two position here. In the winning position we need only know if the incoming numbers is correct, and then how many times is repeated means my bet. But in last position I need to calculate all these numbers, because now I have 2 plus 7 means 7 credits, okay. And that's here. I have made two method here, which is count repeated number here, and count occurrence number, okay. And here the first one is accept a list of integer, a list of numbers, which is my list, the list of number which I choose here, or which one I click there, which is now this one, okay. And we have also other one, okay. Here is this, just here accept a list of integer and a number which you want to count, okay. And this is that random number. And in other method we have just a list of integer and we want to count how many times numbers repeated. Look at this, output is like this. At the end we have an array of something, and we calculate how many times this number repeated, okay. And let me check it here, and yeah, here just I make a local variable here inside of winning position, and I check I have here random number which is coming, and if that is okay, just I need to say okay, now credit is equal to credit plus total, I mean let me say, and then I say here just like this, okay. Credit is equal to credit plus credit times 36, okay. This should be okay. And here credit, and here I check it in last position how many bet I have on that total numbers, and just credit is equal to credit me. And now let's rerun it again. Source code is available in GitHub. I can't really record live video because as you see here my PC just killing, and no time for that. That's why I make it in my free time and just explain it, and you will get source code also. Let's now let's wait for this one. Easy methods, nothing. But the point now here is this, we have too many methods here, and in the next part I have to also make this component clear with the help of interface, or change the methods to other class, service class, or whatever you name it, and then I like it. What happens here? Just I'm telling you, just my PC is killing now. This PC is killing right now. Let me close this one also, and now run again. It's not a PC, it's just a laptop. Database, shopper, tables. And it is running now. Now let me see where I get tables loaded. Here is this. Just wait for tables, and I say here casino player table. and this user has 53 credit. Now let's dive back here and log in again. Just log in here again, say here like this, and now I'm going to casino page. Okay, credit is 53, and now I want to put 2 point on 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21, and the structure is like this. At the end we calculate this array of numbers. Okay, and now I have here now maybe that's okay. We add other property here to show how many credit you spend, and if you reached 53 or reach your limit credit, not allowed to bet anymore. Just let's spin it. Credit is 53, and voila, last position 27 points here. If you calculate this one is 27, and voila, and let me say for example one more time, credit is 1, and now because we can get free credit 100. Let's do again. Last, again last, again last, again last, again last, credit, free credit, again last, again last, one more time, again last. Let's say here other numbers, other one. We have here even and odd, not implemented yet, but I'm gonna to do it in the next part. Oh, congratulations, number 21, we had 2 times here. 2 times 36 is 72, plus the rest 120. That is amazing. Wow. Okay, I'll repeat it again here. I'm not front-end developer, and this is just easy to use or just to show. And here I say add numbers added, and voila, we go for the next part in the next day. And have a nice day. Here I'm going to commit it. You can download it, you can further develop it, you can do whatever you want. Okay, have a nice day, see you in the next one, and ciao.